and I'm just going to tap that foundation in first before I start to rub it and, you know, blend it in. But you want to get it into there pretty good. So the Fenty Beauty foundation, I think what Rihanna was trying to convey is that she was trying to make a foundation that makes it look more natural, a foundation that shows the better version of your skin. So this foundation, I would say, is a medium coverage foundation, but it's definitely buildable. That's why you'll see me going in several times and adding that on to get a more full coverage look. But it's definitely a very good foundation though. Let's just say Rihanna did not come to play when it came to this. So this brush right here is a very popular brush in the beauty community. It's a pretty much like a foundation buffing brush, and so I'm just working that in circular motions. If you guys are going for that airbrush look, then this brush right here is like perfect and spot on for that airbrush look. So guys, I'm just adding a little foundation to my neck area. I do have a slight discoloration in my neck, but I also broke out down there and it's very sensitive in an area, so I'm just gonna blend that out so it won't be as noticeable, okay? Guys, if you're interested in how I did my eyebrows, then go ahead and comment down below and I'll definitely upload a eyebrow tutorial video. Another tip is, when it comes to your eyebrows should always look like sisters, never like cousins, okay? I'm not gonna lie, it does take practice on doing your eyebrows. At the beginning when I started, I could not get them to look identical. But if you can get them looking very similar to each other where it's not as noticeable, then that's all that matters. Because I promise you, people are not paying that much attention to your eyebrows, like that close up. No. So guys, I use my Maybelline eraser concealer. It's very good. I love it. I'm just taking that, applying it under my under eyes and all around my nose area and stuff like that. Then I'm also going to apply some to my forehead, under my chin, and my bottom lip. And that's pretty much it. Then I'm going to blend that in with my Shop Miss A's Beauty Blender. Very good. It's the Pawpaw blender. Very good. Except for this one area that I was trying to get. Okay guys, I want to add a tip. So when blending out the concealer under the eyes, you want to make sure you don't carry that into your contouring area, the cheekbone area, because the whole purpose is to go from light to dark, not dark to light. No. I cannot seem to get that forehead area for nothing. Like, oh my god, it's driving me crazy. But your girl managed to work it out. So guys, next I'm taking my Morphe Effect 16 contour stick, and this is a really good contour stick, very affordable. I'm going to be working that in my cheekbones. The whole purpose is to bring that out. I'm going to line that around my face. Do the same thing to the other side. I'm not going to drag that down too low. Trust me, it will not look good. I'm going to keep it right there. And then I'm going to be going under my jaw. As you can see, I have a very chubby face. Very rounded face. But I love me. My opinion, the whole point of contouring is pretty much to get rid of that ghost face or mask or cast around your face, and pretty much all the places that the sunlight naturally hits your face, you have that natural little tan area. That's the whole purpose of contouring, pretty much to tone that out, so because you don't want that white cast on your face, and also just to bring out your cheekbones and stuff like that. So yeah, contouring is definitely great. I love it. I'm going to use the contour, put that on the bridge of my nose. Then I'm taking my Morphe contouring brush that I got from a set. It does not have a number on it, but I'll make sure I get the link for you guys to go check it out. Blending that in. I wanted to add in, so when blending that on your cheek area, you want to make sure you're blending upwards. Completely when it comes to contouring period, you want to blend that upwards always. It's time to set this face. I'm going to be going in with my MAC Prep and Prime. You can either apply it before as a primer, or you can do it as after to set your face. Either way, this is really great. I just wish they had it as a mist instead. So I'm just going to try that out. Alright, so now it's time to line these lips up. I normally go for a darker shades, especially if I'm going to be using a nude. That is my LA Colors lip liner pencil. I love it. I just want something that's going to be able to get the job done. Not really going for the high-end brands, just something that's going to do what it needs to do. So now I'm going in with my nude matte lipstick. I'm going to leave the link down below for that, or leave the name of it in the description box. But I may go back in and kind of darken that up a little bit. Look at here, God, what is that big old hump right there? I'm definitely gonna have to fix that up. Oh my God, what did my eyes just do? So guys, I really do love this lace front wig. I'm really not going to glue it down. It's not necessary. But look, ladies, if you have a man that likes to pull hair, then you might as well go ahead and use that got-to-be glue and dry that down. I did forget to add this, so I'm going to be going in with my Juvia's Place the Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette, and I'll be going in with that shade right there. Whoever said melanin people can't blush? Baby, you were sadly mistaken. So I got tired of that light, so I just went ahead and turned it off. So now I'm taking any mascara. You can use any one you want to, blending my real lashes with the false lashes, okay? You don't want two different lashes. So I'm just taking my Maybelline lash gel, but I'm going to be applying that to my eyebrows. People use it for either one, but I love it. It sets my eyebrows very good and makes them pop a little bit more, okay? Y'all got me over here blushing. Anyways, I hope you guys like this look. Let me know in the comment section what you guys would like me to do in the future. I am new to this whole YouTube thing, so if you guys have any tips with editing, please let me know. Anyways, I'll see you in my next video.